Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. This is Jerome and here with another video. Today was a pretty good trading day. It was exciting. It was really good. I just took 2 trades and that was it. So this is where we're at right now. Okay, so last video, I was in a pretty big dip. You see that right there, negative 4,800. And then in one trade, I got up here to positive 298, and then I took another trade, and I'll go into it. I should have just backed away, took the money and ran. Okay, and it dropped down 1,700. But overall, today was a profit of a little more than $3,000. I'm happy with that. I shouldn't have took that last trade. This last trade was outside of my trading plan. But hey, it's all right. You live and learn. It's okay. So let's get into it real quick. I don't want to make this video too long. Hopefully under 6 minutes. Okay. But anyways, I've passed the first 3 so far of the FTMO challenge. First 3 right here. I just got to get this to 10 grand. You see that right there. But we're working on it. We're working on it. And this one trade, so I profited over $3,000, so 3,100. And today, and let's see, so 5 grand in one trade. That trade took about 20 minutes. And this last trade, shouldn't have did it, but I did it. But let's take a quick look at that $5,000 trade. So I caught a type 3 W setup in the New York session, and I used a 1-minute chart for entry for a sniper entry. So let's take a quick look at that. This is just a quick glimpse of that entry. This here is the middle price line for my box from the Asia session, the London session. Okay, so I caught that type 3W, started from down here, and this was my sniper entry right there. Now let's take a look at the finished product. Okay, so let's go, let's see, over here, my exit strategy, trade exploded through my take profit levels. Price just continued to rise afterwards. Let's take a quick look at that. Okay, and here it is. So I mean, look at this. This is something that you want to see. That's just so cool. It's amazing. So trade just, I mean, it just took off, exploded way beyond my take profit level. And for me, this is a very generous take profit level. I was going to be just elated just by getting to here. See that? If it would have gotten right there, I would have been happy. But this thing just took off, and I saw that. I said to myself, wow, you just never know these markets. It blows my mind sometimes. But anyways, I was really happy with that. Let's take a deeper look on the TradingView 15-minute chart so you can see what I saw. Okay, so what I mean by the high and the low in the W setups, when I want to trade the US, I like to take the high and the low of the London session, set those up, and then I go off of that. Now, I did see this purple trend line, so I did catch this. This is what some people call a squeeze or consolidation, whatever you want to call it. So I was keeping track of that, and then I knew that once price went and broke that trend line consistently, that let me know. It didn't necessarily give me confirmation, but it gave me a good idea that price would continue to rise and do a reversal. But at the end of the day, I always do my best to rely on my best trading setup. Now, what setup did I see? I saw a type 3 W setup. So this is the low of London. This red line is the high of London. This is the middle. Okay, so right here is where I saw the type 3W. So we got that right there. Went up and went down here in the form of a W, and then boom, it just took off. And look how far. I mean, This is just crazy. I mean, look at how far it went. I think it's partly because here in the US we have midterm elections. That might be part of it, but my goodness, look at that. I mean, that $5,000 trade could have been a 10, 15 grand trade. It's crazy. But I'm happy with that. Now, this is the mistake that I made. I saw this. It's like, uh-oh, we're going to go into an M setup. Now, this is outside of my trade book. My trade book consists of me being within the Asia, London, or US session. Over here is totally outside of my wheelhouse. I shouldn't even in this shouldn't even been on my radar. But I saw that and I was getting greedy and I paid for it. Okay, so I got in right here and I was making about $600-700 right here. If it got to here, I would have made about a grand or two, maybe a grand 1,500. But it price shot back up. And then right about here, it took me out of the trade. But hey, you live and learn. I just got too greedy. But yeah, it just goes to show you that I just got to stick with my trade setup and be faithful to it. And yeah, take the money and run. But anyways, that's what happened. Two trades during the session, the U.S. session, and pretty good day, positive $3,000 day, and so we'll tack that on, and I will take that. Okay, but anyways, I don't want this video to be too long. We're already over 6 minutes and 30 seconds. The time does fly. Doesn't even seem like that, but yeah, it's all about just sticking to the setups and remaining disciplined. And I tell you what, I got to have more days like these. So I'm looking forward to have more days like these consistently. And but that about does it for this video. Let's wrap it up. My name is Jerome, the Bailey Financial Group. Thank you so much for being a subscriber and watching my videos. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment below this video, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And thanks for watching. Thanks for leaving likes. I really do appreciate that because those small things do go a long way. But anyways, again, this is Jerome signing off. Always remember to be blessed, take the money, and run.